Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. FreeeUp, a freelancer platform review and user experience. FreeeUp is a freelancer platform designed to connect businesses with top-tier talent quickly and efficiently. If you're looking to streamline your freelancing or hiring process, FreeeUp might be the solution for you. This video explores the platform's key features, its target audience, and the value it provides for both freelancers and clients. One of FreeeUp's defining characteristics is its stringent vetting process. They boast an acceptance rate of just 1%, meaning only the most highly skilled professionals make it onto the platform. This rigorous selection benefits both freelancers with specialized expertise and businesses seeking high-quality work without the tedious task of sorting through countless unqualified applicants. Whether your needs lie in e-commerce, digital marketing, customer service, or web development, FreeeUp likely has vetted professionals in your area of interest. For freelancers, FreeeUp offers a smooth and streamlined onboarding experience. Once approved, you can set your hourly rates and start connecting with clients either through direct invitations or by applying for open projects. The platform provides access to clients actively seeking top-tier talent, eliminating much of the legwork involved in traditional freelance job hunting. From a client's perspective, FreeeUp simplifies the hiring process significantly. With a rapid turnaround time, often matching clients with freelancers within 24 hours, FreeeUp minimizes downtime. Dedicated account managers provide support and ensure smooth collaboration between clients and freelancers. Furthermore, FreeeUp handles the administrative burden of time tracking, invoicing, and payments, freeing up valuable time for both parties. A particularly compelling feature is FreeeUp's no-hassle replacement guarantee. If a freelancer fails to meet expectations, FreeeUp will promptly provide a replacement at no additional cost. This guarantee builds trust and encourages long-term partnerships between clients and the platform. FreeeUp eliminates the often exorbitant platform fees found on other freelance marketplaces, making it a particularly attractive option for freelancers seeking high-value clients. Similarly, businesses benefit from access to a pool of pre-vetted, reliable professionals. In summary, FreeeUp is best suited for freelancers who excel in their respective fields and are looking for high-quality clients without sacrificing earnings to platform fees. It's also an excellent choice for businesses seeking reliable, pre-vetted professionals and a streamlined hiring process. If you prioritize quality and efficiency in your freelance endeavors, FreeeUp is definitely worth exploring. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.